As we get towards Black Friday, the steals and deals get even better. So let me show you these, and these are some steals and deals. All of these are very discounted. For instance, this is normally $39.99. It's going to be $29.99. This is today and tomorrow. This is a wool cotton. It's beautiful for a jacket. Gosh, I think even for a blanket would be so pretty. Some of these I would just, cut off and make blankets out of. They're just so pretty. Soft, wonderful. Anyway, wool cotton. This next one is a black. This is a cashmere wool blend. It's just beautiful. And again, reduced. This is Pendleton. Normally $49.99, like 100% wool, $39.99, but it's not a scratchy wool. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. Just beautiful piece of fabric. We just got good prices, and we're going to just pass them along. This is a brown. It's kind of we called it a bear brown. It's a wool cashmere also. Reduced it from $39 to $29. I put these two in here because they're so beautifully go along with it. This is a crepe back satin. It's 100% viscose. It's a woven. It's a beautiful fabric, and it goes so well. The three of these just coordinate so beautifully together. I just had to put them together. So this olive green and this brown just match, and then this blouse just would be gorgeous with it. So the three of them, they're all reduced. This is Worth. This is a cotton poly, 100% viscose, and wool cashmere blend. All right, the goal, you know it. Happy Monday sewing from Silhouette Patterns.